So, hello guys, good evening. Welcome back to this lecture. Today, as you can see on the screen, we are doing PYQs of Conics. Now, to remind you, we have done the PYQs of Conics from 2023 papers, right? Now we are focusing on 2022 papers. So, all the PYQs that you will see, sorry about my yeah. So all the PYQs that we'll do today are from JEE Main 2022 June attempt. So let's see, guys. Let's move forward and let's check it out. So just a second, guys. There is something in my eye. I'll just check it. You can see the question. Yeah, just a second. Okay. So as you can see, this is from June 24th June 2022. So let's see what the question says. Uh, let x square, okay, a circle is given. It passes through point 0, comma 6 and touches the parabola. Then a plus c equals. Okay. The circle touches the parabola. That means they have a common tangent. Correct? So first, this point must satisfy the equation of circle. So if we substitute this point, we'll get 36 plus 6y plus c equals to 0. Let's mark it as equation number 1. Now, they will have a common tangent. So what we'll do, guys, we'll write the equation of tangent for parabola and then we'll write the equation of tangent for circle and then compare both. Correct? So let's write equation of tangent for parabola. It is t equals to 0. Right? So y equal to x square. So y को replace करते हैं with y1. No, y को replace y plus y1 by 2. So y plus 4 by 2. X square को x into x1. So we'll get y plus 4 is equals to 4x. Equation number 2. What is the equation of tangent? Same. X square को x x1, y square को y y1 plus a into x plus x1 by 2 plus b into y plus y1 by 2. Constant term remains as it is. Now let us group the terms, guys. If we try to take LCM, so this and this will get cancelled. We'll get 2c, we'll get 4x, and we'll get 8y. Correct? So for x, we have a plus 4x. For y, we have b plus 8y. And the constant term we have is 2a plus 4b plus 2c is equals to 0. Now equation 2 and equation 3 represents the same line. Therefore, we can compare coefficients. So I can write a plus 4 upon 4, coefficient of x, coefficient of y, b plus 8 upon minus 1 is equals to constant term 2a plus 4b plus 2c upon minus 4. Okay, so we have this equation over here. I think we made some mistake here, right? 0, comma 6, 0, comma 6, 6 bi में, sorry. correct? So we can substitute C in terms of B. We can write C as minus 36 minus 2B. Okay, first let's equate these two. So we get A plus 4 is equals to, we can cross multiply. So we'll get minus A minus 4 is equals to 4B plus 32. So A plus 4B is equals to minus 36. Here, if we compare these two, minus minus will get cancelled. We'll get 4B plus 32 is equals to 2A plus 4B plus 2C. 2A and 2A will get cancelled. So we'll get, just a second. No. How it got cancelled? Is equals to. Correct, na? 4B plus 32 is equal. Yeah. So 4B and 4B will get cancelled. Sorry. We'll get 2A plus 2C. That means A plus C is equals to 16. So we can substitute, I think we can substitute A. And we have these equations, right? So from these three equations, we got C as 16. Okay. Let us subtract these two. If we subtract these two, 4B minus C will be equals to minus 52. And now we add these two, this one and this one. So we'll get 4B plus 6B, 10B plus 36. So is equals to minus 52 minus 36. So we got B as 8 minus 88 upon 10. So minus 44 upon 5. So let us substitute it here. So we get 4 into 42 minus 3 equals to 4B plus 50. Did we mistake? Oh, what are we doing, guys? We want A plus C. We already got A plus C here. So our option is 16. Yeah. Let's see next question. Yeah, if two tangents from a point lying on the ellipse to the parabola are such that slope of one tangent is 4 times the slope of the other. So let's say slope of one tangent is m1 is 4 times m2. One thing we got, equation of tangent. Tangent is drawn to the parabola. So if a tangent is drawn to the parabola, then what is the equation? Y is equals to mx plus a by m. Here a is 1. So y equals to mx. Just a second. Yeah, thank you. Okay. So this is the equation of tangent to the parabola. It passes through alpha comma beta. Therefore, it must satisfy. So we'll get beta is equals to m alpha plus 1 by m. So if we take LCM, I suppose we'll get alpha m square minus beta m plus 1 equals to 0. I hope I am correct. M square alpha plus 1 is equals to m beta. Yeah. Okay. So now this alpha comma beta lie on this ellipse. So let's see what the equation of ellipse is. The x square upon 1 by 25 plus y square upon 1 by 4 is equals to 1. So if we use parametric form, then we can write alpha comma beta is a cos theta, b sin theta. So 1 by 5 cos, comma 1 by 2 sin. Let us substitute it here. What we get, guys? Alpha की जगह पे 1 by 5 cos theta into m square minus 1 by 2 sin theta into m plus 1 equals to 0. So if we take LCM, it will be 10. So 2 cos theta m square minus 5 sin theta m plus 10 equals to 0. From here, we get sum of the roots. Sorry, sum of the roots, which is m1 plus m2. Sum of the roots is minus b by a. Minus b by a. And product of the roots, which is m1, m2, is 3 by a. So 5 by cos. Right? We have m1 is 4 m2. So sine upon 2 cos. 5 and 5 will get cancelled. We'll get the value of m2. And if we substitute m2 here, so we'll get m1 into sine upon 2 cos is equals to 5 upon cos. So cos and cos will get cancelled to 2 5s are 10. Just a second. Yeah. 2 5s are 10 upon 6, and this is m2. So we have to get alpha and beta. So we have to get values of sine and cos, right? Oh. So m1 is 4 times m2. Let us substitute these and this here in this. m1 is 4 times m2. So 10 by sine theta is 4 into sine theta upon 2 cos theta. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 2 5s. So 5 cos theta is equals to sine square theta. I hope I'm doing the right calculation. Yeah. So if I cos square theta. So the quadratic we got is cos square plus 5 cos minus 1 equals to 0. Now, let's solve this quadratic. So cos theta will be equals to minus b minus 5 plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So that is minus 5 plus root 29 by 2, because cos theta lies between minus 1 and 1. That's why negative value is rejected. So cos theta was 5 alpha. This is the value of 5 alpha. So what is the value of 10 alpha plus 5? It is root 29. Right? You can see from here, 1 by 5 cos is alpha. So cos is 5 alpha. Now let's try to find sine theta. Right? We got the value of cos theta. Can you see any equation? Yeah. So phi cos theta was sine square theta. So phi cos theta was sine square. Just a second. Yeah. Phi cos theta was sine square theta. So phi into cos theta. I think we should better use another equation, right? Sine square theta. Sine square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. So phi cos theta is sine square theta. M1, M2. We got M1, we got M2. Okay, we are doing correct, right? So 1 minus root 29 minus 5, the whole square upon 4. Which is 4 minus a square minus 2ab plus b square by 4. So which is equals to 29 plus 25. 29, 39, 49, 54. So minus 50 plus 10 root 29 by 4. So this is sine square theta. If we take 10 root 29 minus 50 by 2 is sine theta. And sine theta is 2 beta. This is 2 beta. If we multiply by 8, we'll get 16 beta is equals to minus 50. I think we made an error. We want beta square. Sorry. So no need to take under root. This is sine square theta. Correct? So sine square theta is, where is sine square theta? Yeah. Sine square theta is 4 beta square. So 4 beta square is 10 root 29 minus 50 by 4. So 16 beta square plus 50 is 10 root 29. We got these values now, plus 5. So we have to square and add them. So my answer will be 29 plus 100 into 29, which is 29 plus 2900, which is 2929 is my final answer. Correct? So yeah, it was a nice question of calculation. Let's see what we have next. So this is 26th June. If m is the slope of a common tangent to the curves, then 12m square is. So common tangent, guys, we'll write the equation of tangent for both. What is it? This is an ellipse, this is a circle. So Here in ellipse, A is 4, B is 3. And here in circle, our tangent to ellipse, y is equal to mx plus minus under root of a square m square plus b square. Now, what is the equation of tangent to the circle? I am writing m same because that it is a common tangent. So mx plus minus r is root 12. So 2 root 3 under root of 1. If we compare the coefficients, we'll have to compare these. These both should be the same for the tangent to be a common tangent. So if we square on both the sides, I think we'll get 16m square plus 9 is equals to 12 into 1 plus m square. So 16m square plus 9 is equals to 12m square plus 12. So we'll get 4m square is equals to 3 equals to 9. Simple. So answer is B. Option B. Correct? Yeah. So let's move on to the next question, which is this. Now, this is a good question. Let me add an extra. Yeah. The locus of midpoint of the line segment joining the point is also an ellipse with eccentricity. Okay. So what is it saying that there are points on the ellipse? First, let us write the equation of ellipse x square upon 4 plus y square upon 2 is equals to 1. So the point on the ellipse is A cos theta. Random points on the ellipse, right? And let's say we have the point Q, which is 4 comma 3 they have given. Now there is a point R, which is the midpoint of P and Q, whose locus we need to find. That's why I have assumed point R as H comma K. Simple, guys. So midpoint है, so 2H will be equals to 2 cos theta plus 4 and 2K will be equal to root 2 sine theta plus 3. So I can write cos theta is equals to H minus 2 and sine theta is equals to 2K minus 3 by root. We know that cos sine. So we can write it as correct. What we can write next? Just a second. I'm calculating the. Yeah. So see guys, this standard ellipse, right? 2, 2 is equals to 1 square brackets because you have to find eccentricity. Eccentricity is what do you say? 1 plus b square upon a square. Correct? Hello? Is my voice clear now? Is it clear now? Please let me know. Hello? that we did not convert base h by x, so x minus 2 here, right? Because the coefficient of k should be 1. So if we take 2 common, 4 आएगा बाहर, 2 कट जाएगा तो अपॉन में 1 by 2 रहेगा. So y minus 3 by 2 the whole square equals to 1. So this is basically, let me change the color. This is basically a square, sorry, a square, and this is b square. And for ellipse, we know that b square equals to a square into 1 minus e square. So e square is basically half. So e is 1, 2. Yes, sure. Let's see the next question. Yeah. B 1 by 4. If this ellipse, if the ellipse passes through x, तो क्या है? X square 16 into 2 by 5. So 16 into 2, 5a square equals to 1. Let this be equation 4. We know that b square equals to a square into 1 minus e square. Correct? E square. So that is b square equals by 16. So we'll substitute it here. What will get? 32 9 by 16 is equals to 1. That is LCM of 15a square. 6 plus 16 nines are 144 is equals to 15a square. Okay. I think we can divide by 16, correct? Hello? Now is the voice proper? Why the voice not come? The video and all is very clear. Let me check on YouTube. Just a second. Yeah, guys. Is it clear now? Hello. Now is it clear, I think. Right? Hello. Now is it clear, guys? Okay. Okay, I'll check it. Fine. Chalo. So this we can divide by 3. So I'll get 5a square is equals to, sorry, 15a square is equals to 0, 4, 240. So a square, let me write it here, is 240 by 15. So we can divide it by 3 as well. So 8 80 by 5, which comes to 70. Sorry, 60. So a square है, right? A square is 16. So we got the value of a square from here. What is b square? B square will be 16 into 15 by 16. 16 cancel. So it is 15. So our answer will be 16 plus b. I hope it is clear. Let's move to the next. Yeah. So let be a tangent to the hyperbola. So now we are into the hyperbola. So let lambda x minus 2y equals to mu be a tangent to the. Okay. Okay, find this. So this is a tangent to the hyperbola. So let's see how the equation of hyperbola will look like if in the standard form x square upon b square by a square minus y square upon b square is equals to 1. Correct? Now, equation of tangent to the hyperbola is t is equals to 0. But for that, we need to assume a point. Okay, instead of this, guys, one thing we can do, which is way better, that is, we solve these equations simultaneously. Now, and since the line is a tangent, means how many roots the quadratic equation should have? Only one, because the tangent has only one point of intersection. And if the quadratic equation has only, and if it's a perfect square, then its discriminant should be equal to 0. So yeah, that's a better idea. Let's start. So a square x square minus, what is y, guys? Lambda x minus mu, the whole square. So let's take LCM. 4 square x square minus 2 lambda mu x plus mu square is equals to 4b square. Now lambda square x square plus minus 4b square minus mu square equals to 0. Discriminant should be equal to 0. Discriminant is b square. So 4 lambda square mu into c. So 4a square. We want lambda upon a. So let us divide here a square by a. Square into mu by b square plus 4. I think before dividing, lambda square mu square will get cancelled. Plus 4a square 4b square 16 a square b square minus 4 mu square a square minus 4 lambda square b square plus lambda square mu square equals lambda square. Now we can let us check if we did some calculation error. Oh, a square b square. How did we got a square and b square? Sixteen a square b square times a in O. Yes, sorry guys. Here it is plus. Yeah. So it will be 16b square plus 4 mu square a square minus, and this will be minus. Yeah. This will be minus. So this and this will get cancelled. We'll square a square minus 4 a square b square. 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So this will be equal to 4 lambda square by a square minus mu square by b square. So our answer is 4. This is my answer. 4 for option number D. I hope it is clear. Right? A very good question on the concept of the point of intersection and number of solutions of quadratic equation. Let's see what we have next. Yeah, this is the next question. So, let the hyperbola and the ellipse be such that length of lattice rectum of hyperbola is equals to length of lattice rectum of ellipse. Okay. So, this is the hyperbola. So, length of lattice rectum is 2b square by a is equals to, this is the ellipse. So, ellipse क्या है? Ellipse is x square upon 4 plus y square upon 3 is equals to 1. Ellipse का length is same, 2b square by a. So this and this will get cancelled. We'll get a ka value as 2 by 3. Okay. We got this. Eccentricity of hyperbola is EH and ellipse is EE. Simple guys, so simple. What is the eccentricity of ellipse? B square equals to A square into 1 minus E square. What is B square? 3, 4 is equals to 1 minus E of E square. So E of E square will be equals to 1 minus 3 by 4, which is 1 by 4. A square into E square is 4 by 9 plus 1. So E of H square will be equals to 9 by 4 plus 1, 13 by 4. Now we want 12 E of H square plus E of E square. So 12 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 4 3s are 12, 43s are 8. So simple. Let's see the next question. This one. Chalo. Let's see the next question. I hope you're reading it. Let the eccentricity of the hyperbola be 5 by 4. Okay. If equation of normal at the point point on the hyperbola is this. Then lambda minus b. Eccentricity is this. So we can write b square equals to a square into e square. 25 minus 16, e square minus 1. So we got b square upon a square as 9 by 16. We got b square upon a square as 9 by 16. Now, this point lies on the hyperbola. Therefore, it must satisfy 5a square minus b square is equals to 1. B square is equals to 9 by 16 into a square. So 64 by 5a square minus 144 upon 25 into 9 by 16. A square is equals to 1. So I think it became very complicated. Let's substitute a square. I think it will be simpler. Yeah. So 64 upon 5. What is a square? 16 by 9 b square. So 64 by 5. Are we? Oh, A16. Okay, it's just very bad calculation, I guess. Is equals to 1. So this will be 64 into 9 by 80 minus 144 by 25. We can take b square common and we can do it like this. Right? Am I correct, you guys? Yeah, I am correct. We can cancel out 8. 10 is 80, 8, 8 is 64, 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10. So thirty-six by 5 minus with 5, 36 25 is equals to b square. 6. So b is 6 by 5. A is 8 by 5. So guys, we got A and B both. So we got the equation of hyperbola. Okay, superb. So the equation of hyperbola is x square upon a square. 64 by 25. So 25 by 64 minus y square upon b square. 36, 25 by 36 is equals to 1. Okay, if the equation of normal the point. Equation of normal. I hope you know the equation of normal. How to write the equation of normal in hyperbola? I hope you know the direct formula, guys. Direct formula is root 5 a square x upon 8 plus 5 b square y upon 12. I hope you know this. 5 b square y upon 12 is equals to a square plus b square. What is a square? A is 8 by 5 by 8 into plus 5 by is 36 by 25. So into 36 by 25 y is equal to a square plus b square. 64 plus 36 by 25, 100, which is 4. So 8 is 64. 8 root 5 by 25x plus 12 3s are 36. 15y by 25 equal to 4. So 8 root 5x plus 15y is equals to 100. Now see this equation and see this equation. After comparing, you can get beta is 15, lambda is 100. So what is lambda minus beta? Beta, it is 85. This is my, you got it, guys? It's already past our time. The next lecture we'll be doing statistics PYQs. Okay? Chalo. Bye guys everyone. Take care. Tada.